In this video I will show you how to create auto captions in Capcut. Open Capcut, and this is my video where I want to use auto captions feature. Hello YouTube, this is how to create auto captions in Capcut. Select your clip and here click on text, and here should be auto captions. Choose your preferred language, make sure your network is connected and click on generate. Now my auto captions was created, and here on the right side you can select style of your captions. I prefer this yellow, and we will see if captions were created properly. Hello YouTube, this is how to create auto captions in Capcut. So as you can see, it was not properly made. I'm gonna click on this text and rewrite here the mistake which was created. So this was how to use auto captions feature in Capcut. It's really time saving. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next video.